Hello, and welcome back to Cardano Coin, where we bring you the most recent and intriguing ADA news. We're giving away 1,000 ADA to those who are watching. All you have to do is upvote, subscribe, comment Cardano is king, and watch the video to the end to be eligible. The winners will be picked next month and publicized on the community page of the channel. Most market sectors saw turbulence in the final month of 2022, but the cryptocurrency market in particular experienced a domino effect of events that caused the crypto industry to collapse. Investors are steadfastly seeking what is hot despite the unpleasant condition. It doesn't matter if it's non-fungible cryptocurrencies or lending services that promise unsustainable yields on deposits. While some might not, some could end up exploding and producing enormous returns. It is linked to market circumstances, not how it appears. Despite the fact that it is a new year, the scenario for cryptocurrencies appears to be unchanged. The majority of news headlines continue to discuss how the market had a quite bad year last year and how this year is being played with a great deal of uncertainty. Notably, a number of things happened that significantly contributed to the decline of not only the price of the leading cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, but also the entire crypto business. 75 of Terra's entire circulation, which began in early May 2022, was held in a lending and borrowing system known as the Anchor Protocol. Terra's collapse set off this chain of events. Holders of Terra coins received rewards for depositing their tokens in the Anchor Protocol at a set interest rate of 19.18, which proved to be irrational and unsustainable. Many crypto investors were negatively impacted by the collapse of the Terra ecosystem. However, there are worse issues. Three Arrows Capital, a cryptocurrency hedge fund, had no retail clients but borrowed money via numerous crypto lending sites like Celsius and Voyager. With the money he borrowed from the corporation, they also placed a number of dangerous bets. The money was put into companies, but hundreds of millions, including $200 million, went towards crypto-based investing techniques. Arrows Capital suffered substantial losses in the Terra crash and were unable to pay his creditors back. Although the impact was widespread and devastating, the FTX collapse turned out to have the worst effect. Around November 2022, the biggest concern for the cryptocurrency industry was the FTX exchange's insolvency announcement. Major cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, as Ethereum in 2021, had a spectacular year in 2021. As they reached remarkable all-time highs, 2022 turned out to be a very difficult year for them. This story involves more than just these three cryptos. Other coins like Dogecoin, Avalanche, and Solana also pack a powerful punch. So I suppose we might ask, how did we get here? The analysts attributed the cryptocurrency crash to a number of causes, including growing inflation, interest rate increases, and economic unpredictability, which drove investors to invest in risky assets all year. And it contributed to the failure of well-known crypto initiatives. Anyway, it is simple to say that the collapse effects was a significant element. In fact, 2022 will live on in the memories of cryptocurrency users for a very long time, since the unprecedented events that occurred in that year damaged investor trust, made many steadfast supporters doubt their stance, and hurt potential investors. What will the state of the cryptocurrency market be in 2023 is the big question on everyone's mind. The current state of affairs about the future of cryptocurrency is one of ambiguity and fear. Obviously, cryptocurrency is here to stay, regardless of how people feel. From a retail standpoint, the number of new users joining the ecosystem has decreased, but those that are still entering do so with little risk and are well prepared to deal with volatility. The fight was actually for the year 2023, which will surely mark the beginning of a new era in which mature communities, projects, and investors with sufficient information and understanding will be the norm. Well, many investors have had to reconsider their positions as a result of the bear market. Supporters of Cardano continue to have faith in his rosy future. Although the cryptocurrency market is highly dynamic and changes are happening quickly, fundamentally sound cryptocurrencies are here to stay and will continue to gain popularity in the next few years. The prospect of cryptocurrency's recovery seems bleak. As of December 1st, 2022, most altcoins were down 90, and opinions on his return in 2023 are currently mixed. Ethereum and Bitcoin have both fallen by nearly 60, according to investor Mark Mobius. Bitcoin's value could drop as low as $10,000, 20 cents in the near future. David Kramer, The CEO of crypto tech platform CoinLedger believes that this crypto winter will last for a while. Then he attributed this to macroeconomic issues, such as increased borrowing prices due to inflation at a 40-year high and political unrest following Russia's invasion of Ukraine. Although it is too soon to make any judgments, the U.S. Federal Reserve System, which controls the monetary policy that has an impact on the entire global economic system, will eventually decide the fate of cryptocurrencies in 2023. Though some believe that the cryptocurrency market will rebound, not everyone is so pessimistic. Some optimistic investors think that by the end of 2023, Bitcoin will climb to value and other cryptocurrencies will follow. Honestly, you still have a choice of paths. In 2023, Cardano plans to bounce back. Of course, the cryptocurrency is currently selling at just 25 cents, or 90s less than its record high of $3.10, similar to what many assume the bulk of Cardano investors have lost interest in the cryptocurrency, which is currently ranked 9th in terms of market value. Currently, the general belief is that Cardano will struggle, possibly even tripling in value to 50 cents, which is where it was trading in August 2022. In spite of the severe restrictions, there is a best-case scenario in which Cardano reaches $1 in 2023. Given the changes that have occurred over the past 12 months, one of the main criticisms of Cardano has always been that it is a quote-unquote ghost chain where nothing significant is happening. The accusation is somewhat accurate because Cardano has consistently appeared to lag behind market leaders like Bitcoin and Ethereum, particularly when it comes to cutting-edge advancements. For instance, Cardano didn't succeed in launching smart contracts until 2021. For investors who like to keep track of things at home, let's say 6 years after Ethereum introduced them to the cryptocurrency world. According to the data, it appears that Cardano's methodical approach to blockchain development is now beginning to bear fruit. A recent report stated that Cardano would be the top blockchain in the world for development activities in 2020. This is largely attributable to the amount of code that Cardano developers were adding to open source repositories like GitHub. And the reason for this is that it's a sign that new features or goods are about to be released. Several Cardano publications claim that 2022 saw a sharp increase in the expansion of the on-chain economy, as indicated by measures like the number of blockchain wallets, the volume of transactions overall, and new partnerships and collaboration. Since smart contracts are now operational on the main blockchain, new opportunities are being made available in a variety of blockchain-related industries, particularly decentralized finance. All of this might give Cardano in 2023 new momentum. It's also crucial to remember that Cardano's introduction into the field of decentralized finance is an accomplishment to be proud of. Cardano would not grow to be a big participant in DeFi without the use of smart contracts. Therefore, until the end of 2021, it had no presence in this market area. Additionally, it was impossible to demonstrate significant progress without a strong presence in DeFi, and total value locked in is a crucial indicator that investors use to assess activity on a blockchain. One of the arguments made by critics who believe that nothing is occurring on Cardano is the fact that Cardano currently ranks just 31st among all blockchains in terms of TVO. There are currently at least 3 different DeFi projects on Cardano that are generating buzz, including the new decentralized exchange, a new non-fungible token marketplace, and a new DeFi protocol that enables the creation of synthetic financial assets. This will help increase TVO numbers, which will in turn change people's negative perceptions of Cardano. A synthetic asset's objective is to mimic the price movement of an actual financial asset, such as a stock, a fiat currency, or a real estate type. The proposal to introduce stable currencies in 2023 was one of Cardano's major announcements that has many cryptocurrency investors in a state of awe. This could be groundbreaking information for Cardano because stable currencies are one of the hallmarks of decentralized finance. A price target of $1 is improbable given that Cardano ADA is currently only trading for 25 cents. Several factors, some of which are truly outside the control of the project, must all align for this to happen. It appears that Donald is in power. All might go well for cryptocurrencies in 2023, but another 65 are troubled with Bitcoin. Keeping one's hopes up and imagining a scenario in which Cardano climbs to the $1 mark is really difficult. However, let's hope for the best for Cardano ADA. Of course, what do you think about this? Let's discuss them in the section below. In the following video, we'll see you check out our other videos to see how Cardano is fulfilling his desire to be the Ethereum killer. But before that, be sure to always click the subscribe notification buttons